Welcome everybody. Welcome to HExcelprop Marketing Services Private Limited. So this is our first video after a long time. So this video will be looking out the residential development, like which project has come, which tower has got launched recently. Along with that, we will also look out what are the options left, the availability of the project, what we have. Firstly, this is the first entry and exit for the residential zone. So we have the entrance from and exit is from here. So if you take left, that will connect us to city. If you take a right, this will connect us to the airport, right? So the moment we enter, the first project what we have here is Godrej Ananda. This is the construction of Godrej Ananda. This is phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 3 is towards the other side, in between the clubhouse and which is at present is marketing office. You can look at the painting work, structure, everything is ready. Looks like the final finishing work is going on, and this will get handover. By looking at the construction, I think this will get handover within this year, this financial year. I mean not financial year, I'm sorry, within this year, December, right? About possession, people who have finalized in Godrej Ananda, please contact your CRM for the exact date. We are just guessing the date. As per ERA, this is 2026, phase 1. We have phase 2, the structure is getting ready. And next, I think this will also get ready very soon. Let us go and look out towards the other projects what we have. So now we are at Brigade Eldorado. So this is the first project to come up with apartments in KIADB with 50-acre land parcel. Well, it's a very big project, so a lot of towers are almost ready, yet to hand over. Very soon they will start handing over their towers. About the availability of this project, we have at present, this is the Iridium tower which is ready. You can look at, not ready, almost the construction, the finishing work is done. They left with 1 BHKs. If anybody is interested, they may contact us. I think the price per all inclusive, not all inclusive, the basic price might come close to 41 to 45 in between. You may contact us for further details. The prices whatever we are mentioning here, this is just the approximate price. Prices subject to change. Then right next, opposite to Iridium tower, we have MGR. This is MGR group launching North Park. They have studio 2 and 3 BHK flats which are available for sale, right? We are yet to get the information because we are yet to enter since we were on holiday, so we were not able to get the info from developer. So yeah, so you may contact us. We are going inside, we'll take the information from them. If anybody is interested who are interested in investing or buying a dream home in MGR North Park, we are here available at the site for you to assist you and get you your dream home. Well, this is the entry and exit, the second entry and exit, the main residential area I'm saying. So this was the Luminaire tower what we sold, and then we have the Aurum tower here. And behind that, new tower is what Brigade launched, that is Dioro at Brigade Eldorado. They have exclusive 2 and 3 BHK flats, 2 BHK with 2 dimensions and 3 BHK with 3 dimensions, compact and large. Anybody and investors who are looking out 2 BHK price, but you want the 3 BHK, we have it in Brigade Eldorado. So you just need to hurry up. Hardly 3-4 lakh rupees difference you will have if we need to compare with 3 BHK that they have launched. It's we are waiting for your call. You may contact us for that. Then we have here Provident Ecopolitan. Phase 1 is almost sold out. The construction is going on for phase 1. Phase 2, we heard they will be opening very soon, most probably next financial year, that is after April. At present, they are selling East Lalbagh in Whitefield. If we get any update on phase 2, we'll keep you posted. But yes, anybody is interested in investing in Whitefield, 2 BHK 80 to 1.1 CR, Saukya Road, that's from Provident. If you're interested, you may contact us for that. Then we have Assets Group coming soon. The day before yesterday update, what I got to know, like the scale model is ready at the site. But yes, not exactly sure because we have not physically seen. We just heard from somebody. Yeah. If you are interested, you may contact us. We are yet to receive the complete info from Assets Group on the pricing, on the dimensions and other things, right? So that's the small update which we wanted to give you, the residential update on KIADB. So these are the few projects what we have. The construction, under construction project, ready to move in. We only have Prestige Finsbury Park. Anybody interested in resale, we are tied up with one of the broker. You may contact us, we'll connect you with the person. You may, yeah, he might charge you brokerage for that. You can have a conversation with him for any resale apartments of any of the project. That's it. Now the last what we want to tell you is, anybody interested in Godrej Ananda, we have got few options available there. Not resale, the primary units, 1092 square feet, 1052 square feet and 1600 square feet Jodi flats. Good option for investment. You can rent out to one house to different families, like, since it's a Jodi concept, so there will be 2 registrations. So for that you may contact us, we'll explain you how this works and other things. If there are any other projects coming in Aerospace Park, we'll try our best to give you the more information about that. We have DS Max, that is exactly in between MGR and Assets Group. So we have a small piece of land parcel which is empty in between DS Max and Assets. We don't know the land belongs to which developer. Next, in couple of months we will come to know. They will also put one small banner or a board saying we are coming soon, right? Thank you everybody. If you're watching our video for first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if just click the bell icon, click on the notification, so that you will receive any property whatever we upload on about the development or the availability, you will receive. Those who have not subscribed to our Telegram channel, you may subscribe there. We always keep posting the availability or resale inventories, whatever we will have from the sources, with us basically, right? Thank you everyone. Stay safe. Have a nice day.